Lopez. Drop pass to Sayat. Anong tawag? Foul! Foul by jersey number 2. Bautista. First inbound. Foul. Number 24 daw, foul. Sayat. 2 points. Sayat. $56-40. 15 seconds to shoot. Two, no good. Rebound by number 27. 20. Sorry. Three. No good. Rebound by number 20. To number 12. No good. Rebound by number 8. Super lead. Basket down, number 416. Foul by number 2. Second team foul. 2 personal fouls by number 2. Charles Bautista. It's good. One shot is good. 56-43. 13-point lead. 5 ATC Elders. Kumakatok na sa pintuan ni Manong Johnny. Ang ulubot. Ayan na. Lopez. Bautista. Block by number 27. Is stepping on the line. What a block by number 27. Ang haba mo, sir. Number 27. 15 seconds to shoot. 3. Number 16. 10-point lead na lang. Kung makatok na sa pintuan, anaya ko na nagsunog. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 24 is out of bounds. Stepping on the line. Ball stays with BGC Counters. Traveling violation without license. Nahuli ng LTO. Substitution. Substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Pasok in, labas out. Lapit po kayo dito sa kanila sa amin. Parang aray ko, para makita. 56-46. 40 seconds, 3. Jeff Lopez. 3. 56-49. Nawala ano, natatanggal. Anaya, blooper shot is no good. Okay. Rep, pag pumasok, time out rep. 15 seconds. Lopez. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. No good. 2 points. Time out. Time out. BGC Hounders. Score 56-51. 5-point lead na lamang po ang kalamangan ng BGC Hounders. 6 minutes exactly on the third quarter. Big shoutout sa ating mga bros. Maraming salamat. Okay na po. Back to the action. Seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagi. 2 balls. Villarete. Good ball. Natatanggal siya. Ano score? 58. 2 points. Number 27. Ayun na, 29. Oras. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Natatanggal eh. Nugget. Ayun na naman eh. Natatanggal. 2 points. 2 points. Standby for substitution. Nugget. Wow. Sublet. Ayun na naman kumindot. Sige. Time out. Already time out. Wait up po. Okay na po. Natatanggal. Score natin 58-55. Basket by Villarete. Last basket. Villarete. Wow! Power jersey number 0 and 9. First rebound. First personal foul by Anaye. Wow, pushy foul. Number 0, second personal foul, second team foul. Traveling violation. 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Free Lopez. Tama. 61-55. 6-point lead. Nugget. Rebound by Villarete. Intercepted. Pass to Lopez. Traveling violation. Nakita ni referee. Nakita ng soko. Grabe mga mata ni ref. Kumikinang. Wow! Ang tawag ngayon ay hatid sa inyo na Holcim Cement. Ang semento ng San Isidro. 3 minutes and 3. Next game, Sistemador versus Star Breakings. Nugget. Rebound by number 12. Is there by Anaye. Out of bounds. Ball. Stay. Hey. Bola na. HSC ball. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 3. Nugget. Rebound by. Rebound by Benete. But steal. Lopez. What a pass! 2 points! Ay, sorry. 27. Standby for substitution. Dito, kuya. Lapit mo pagka sa sub. Thank you, Kuya Pogi. 15 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation, sub-rep. Sub po. Ayaw na naman. Wait lang, rep. Ayaw na naman ng i-buzzer natin. Wait lang, rep. Rep, wait lang. Ayaw na naman. Ayaw. Wait lang po. Okay, pasok na. Pwede. Wala, ayaw na naman. Wait lang po ah. $140 ah, 1 minute and 40. Ayaw. Boss. Ayaw, mandar. One minute and 40 po yan. 1 minute and 40. 1 minute and 40. Sa akin na lang. Papada rin na lang po. Wait lang po ah. 1 minute and 40. Good na po. Good po. Good na rep. Okay na. Hindi, okay na. Binila ko dito eh. Nugget. Foul. Ayaw na naman oh. Wait lang, ayaw na naman oh. Wait lang po ah, ayaw na naman ng bandar eh. Wait lang. Take. Sige po, good na po. 1 minute and 1 sa oras muna namin. 1 minute and 1 seconds. Dito po kayo sa amin ah. 13 foul. Very good. 59 seconds. Ito po, hindi po yan yung titignan nyo. Na-shoot? Oras, 50 seconds. Dito po kayo tumingin na sa amin. Sasabihin yung oras. 2 points. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Wow. Okay na. Utang na nito. Warning for penalty. Team BHSC. Tama na po yung oras ha. Tama na po. 63:59. No good. 19 seconds. No good. 10 seconds. Three. No good. 3. And the third quarter score 63-59 in favor of BHSC Hounders. Pero ayusin natin yung score and ang oras natin. 20:44. Butay na alas 8:44. 8:44. Okay na po. Confirm. Start na po tayo. Score, confirm score po natin is 63-59 in favor po ng BHSC Hounders. Shout out, Boss G, ang pinaka-pogi. na COVID. Ichikaray! Start na po. Five minutes po, stop time na po tayo. 5 minutes ng fourth quarter, stop time na po tayo. Reflorido. Anaya. 15 seconds shot left. 10 seconds steal. Two points. 2-point lead na lamang BGC Hounders. 63-61. 9 minutes and 30. 15 second shot clock. Duggan. Dena! Oh, 63! Nahabol na po. Nakapasok na sa pintuan. Napasok na sa pintuan ng Pulubots. Pamatay sunog. Wala rin Mumbai number 27. Nauna na si ang kalabasa sa ilalim. Change favor. Labang na po. Time out. Time out. Reserve time out. Reserve time out. Reserve time out. Oh, 63. Sige, sige. Time out pagka na-shoot or turnover. 12 seconds to shoot. Nugget. Time out. Time out. BGC Hounders. Okay na po. 63-67. 4-point lead. Okay na po. Back to the ball game. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Team BHSC. Dalawa po sa Ulubots. Referido. After 33, Nugget, Ibabay, Lopez. Bautista, wow! 2 points, Bautista. Five minutes and 50. Pass it down, stop the goal. First deep out. Basketball. Bonus shot. Point number 12. It's good. 65-70. 5-point lead by Ulubots. Foul. Foul by number 12. 16, number 16, rather, foul. Side inbound. Second personal foul. First team foul. Two points. 7 minutes and 25. 18 seconds to shoot. Standby for substitution. Nugget, Ibabay. Bautista, block! Pag dead ball, substitution po tayo. 2 points. Deadlock po. Substitution tayo, rep. Standby for substitution. 2 points. Tama. Three Nuggets. Dead ball po tayo ha. Basket count. Substitution tayo rin. Pasok in, labas out. Sorry. Substitutions. Number 3. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 1 point. Pass to number 25. Pass to 29. Counted. Substitution. Substitution. Number 27 out. Number 30 in. Who's foul rep? 33. Second team foul. BHSC. 1 point. Pass to number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 0. Warning for taking 3. Foul. Foul number 1. Pasok ang unang tira. BHSC, 13 foul. (24) 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. (25) Pinababa. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Good. 3 points by number 12. Number 24. Pass to number 33. 2 points by Villalente. Taking 3 again by number 25. Limon Bay. 33. Binababa. Pass to number 33. 15 seconds to shoot. Anaya taking 3 points. Wala, Limon Bay. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 2. Pass to Anaya. Pass to Villanueva. Wala. Number 3. Foul. Number 1. BHSC, warning for penalty. Pasok ang dalawang tira. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Pass 2. Intercepted by number 24. Wala. Pass to number 25. 75-85. Official score. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Substitution. 2 points by number 29. Reserve for substitution. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Wala ulit. Rebound by Anaya. Backcourt. Number 27. 2 points. Number 27. Number 0, taking 3. Wala, rebound by number 3. Waiting for substitution. Timeout. Dead ball. Intercepted by number 1. Good. Two minutes and 23 seconds. Wala, rebound by. Foul. Substitution. Timeout. Ulubots. Timeout. Ulubots. Ulubots, third team foul for BHSC, warning for penalty. Back to the ball game. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Taking the lead. Foul. Last 2 minutes. Both teams warning for penalty. Number 16, third team foul. Third personal foul. 3 free throw. Pasok. Last 2 minutes. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by. Binababa. 2 points by number 24. Official score 79-89. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 16, pass to number 12. Foul. 24. Penalty. Team BHSC. Warning for Gladway. Lopez. Number 24, warning for Gladway. So, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Foul. Ulubots, penalty. Number 29, pushing foul. Third personal foul by number 29. Pasok, dalawa by number 24. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 16. Pass to number 24. Binababa. 55 seconds remaining. Wala. Rebound ball. Same ball. BHSC ball. 50 seconds remaining. Pass 2. Foul.
15.
Penalty by foul by number 16. Number 16. Warning for Gladway.
Oh, yan natanggal.
Pasok by Bautista. 82-93.
Yan natanggal.
40 seconds remaining. Intercepted by number 1. 2 points by number 0. 26 seconds remaining. Shot clock off. 15 seconds remaining. Foul by number 0. Penalty. Number 8.
Nabubura.
2 personal foul by number 8. Pasok, dalawang tira by number 2 points. Pass to number 1. Dumidiskarte, taking 3. Wala. 7 seconds remaining. 5 seconds ko lang pala. Final score, 84-95. Ulubots win. No.
Tawa.